did the brave men of the Asante kingdom, sacrificing everything to gain freedom for their people. With the unwavering support of their great spiritual leader, Okomfo Anokye, and the legendary king, Nana Osei Tutu I, this story is one of the most captivating and heroic tales from the Asante kingdom. It is a saga of valiant warriors and steadfast chiefs who fought against all odds to break free from the oppressive rule of Denchira. In this compelling narrative, we delve into the remarkable courage and strategic brilliance that defined the Asante struggle for independence. The Asante warriors, equipped with traditional weapons and unyielding resolve, faced overwhelming challenges. Yet, under the visionary leadership of Nana Osei Tutu I and the mystical guidance of Okomfo Anokye,